Tatiana naman, proud ako sa kanya sobra kasi nakita ko yung growth niya um, as as a young lady and as a singer. I also admire her bravery kasi talagang sumali siya ulit. I just felt na na hindi naging ganun ka-confident yung performance niya as compared to the rehearsals and no mentoring namin. That's why then maybe yun din. Yun yung isa sa mga factors kung bakit. So, pero wala ako nakikitang mali sa performance niya. It's just that parang medyo nag-hold back siguro siya and I was expecting for more.